Hi, my name's James. I'm a dad of two boys, Tommy and Jude, who are both autistic. I've been part of the Motability scheme for over 10 years now. I've just chosen an electric car, and today I'm having the electric charge point installed. Having an electric car, it's going to make life so much easier for me and my boys. Going to the petrol station, it can be anxiety inducing, so being able to charge overnight is going to make life a lot easier. Booking the install was really simple. I went online, completed the form. I could track my installation date via email and was kept in constant contact letting me know when they'd be coming. The online survey was really straightforward. I had to take photos of the outside space where my electric board was. It was just really easy. The team arrived at 9 AM, they was gone by early afternoon and the electricity was only off for 10-15 minutes.
I'm having a non-standard install. For me that means I'm just having a little bit extra cabling.
The install wasn't disruptive at all. He routed the cable up into the attic. They did some work to the fuse box. And I attached the home charge point to the front of the house. The install team talked me through everything they was going to do, and then it was just really easy. I just left them to it and carried on with my day. So before choosing an electric car, I had a look at the different tariffs. I'm confident that I'm definitely going to be saving on our fuel costs across the year. Our electricity obviously will go up, but compared to what I'll be spending in fuel, it would be a lot cheaper. The installation team were happy to answer any questions that I had, show me where the QR code was, which helped me set up the app. By the time they left, I felt like I know exactly what I needed to do with the charging point. Now the installation is complete, I really can't wait for my car to arrive. It makes such a difference in our lives, it's going to be so much easier. Having a car means we can access more places because public transport can be quite overwhelming. It's loud, it's busy, and that's everything that my boys struggle with in the world. So having that car and knowing they've got their safe space means we can get to so many more places.